I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the JBL Flip 4 fabric cover. Removing the fabric cover to open up your JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker makes it possible for you to clean the inside of your device, replace broken speaker parts, troubleshoot problems, change the battery, and more. All you need to remove the JBL Flip 4 fabric cover is a flathead screwdriver. If you want to go further and start removing or replacing speaker components, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver. It's important to note that it's very easy to damage your JBL Flip 4 speaker while doing this, so it's important to be very careful. And if you don't feel comfortable, don't be afraid to stop and get help from a professional. Also, removing your Flip 4 fabric mesh cover and replacing components will likely mean your speaker's resistance to water is reduced, and it will be more susceptible to water damage. Now let's walk through the steps to remove your JBL Flip 4 fabric cover and open up your Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker. Step 1. Locate the power button along the back of your JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker. Step 2. Wedge a flathead screwdriver in between the Flip 4 fabric mesh cover and the plastic casing directly beneath the power button. Carefully push the flathead screwdriver so that it slides between the plastic cover and the fabric mesh cover. This may be difficult and you may have to push hard to get separation. Step 3. Pry up to lift the JBL Flip 4 fabric mesh cover up and away from the speaker roughly 1/4 of an inch to get some separation. Continue sliding the flathead screwdriver around the edges of the JBL Flip 4, prying up and loosening the clips that hold the fabric cover in place as you go along. The clips are located roughly every 2 inches all the way around the cover. Step 4. When you get to the point where you have nearly all of the clips loosened and you can get a good grip on the JBL Flip 4 fabric cover, gently pull the cover away from your Bluetooth speaker to remove it. After you remove the cover, core components of your JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker will be exposed. From here, you can easily clean your speaker and check it for damage. At this point, it's really easy to see the key parts such as the drivers and buttons. To be clear, the drivers are these 2 big boxes in front. If one of your drivers is damaged, you can remove the 4 screws surrounding either of those and easily replace them. I want to be clear that removing any screws on your JBL Flip 4 at this point will increase the risk that your speaker is no longer waterproof and exposure to water could result in damage. Additionally, if you need to replace the battery on your JBL Flip 4, you can do so by standing it on edge and removing the 2 screws along the bottom on each side. From here, you can remove the plastic casing and then gently twist off the end cap that's on the side opposite where the micro USB port is located. This exposes a battery compartment where you can loosen the 2 screws holding a small plate in place and then pull out the battery and swap it out with a new one. Let me know what problems you've run into with your JBL Flip 4 in the comments below and how you solved them. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.